Is this RTX 5080 or just an upgrade to RTX 4080 with DLSS 4? Let's talk. This is RTX 5080 from Gigabyte and it is from Aero series. It is something like a ProArt graphic card and I kinda like the aesthetics of this card and the overall design is beautiful. I like it. This card has 3 display ports, 1 HDMI and a 16-pin connector for the power. And everything about it is just good. I like the design here. It is so thin, it is so small, and I like the design here. There is other models from Gigabyte which is a little bit bigger, but this is good enough and I kind of like it. But let's talk about RTX 5080. RTX 5080 is just a little upgrade from RTX 4080 Super. I mean 5% to 12% improvement from last year. And this is not enough because 4080 Super is just a good card, and now with this card I don't think there is a reason for anyone with a 4080 card to upgrade to this one. I expected to see 5080 beating 4090, but you can't find a scenario that this card can beat RTX 4090, which is a bummer. Why is that? Because Nvidia just didn't upgrade the specs for this card. Like the CUDA cores are almost the same, the VRAM is almost the same, the cores are almost the same, everything is almost the same. And the performance in result is almost the same. Like in a lot of games, we saw that this card couldn't even beat RTX 4080 Super. It showed us almost the same result as 4080 Super, which is a big bummer. And in other cases, the FPS difference is just under 10 frames, which is not ideal. I think Nvidia just announced this card to replace RTX 4080 Super. There is no other reason for that. And it's a bummer because we waited almost 2 years for this card to arrive, and this is not good. I don't like it. But in some scenarios, we can get good FPS and gain more performance. What scenarios? Like when you enable multi-frame generation and DLSS 4. With DLSS 4, you can get triple or 4 times the performance you will get compared to normal setting without DLSS 4. But I should say, you can just improve your frame rates. The latency will be the same. And because of that, you may see some artifacts when you are playing some games. Like in Cyberpunk, you will get more than 50 FPS in normal ultra mode. But when you enable DLSS 4, you will get almost 180 or 190 frames per second. It is good, it is pleasing to see these frame rates with this card, but the latency will be the same from 50 or 60 FPS, which is a bummer. This will affect your gaming experience, and I just wanted to see a better raw performance. 5% better is not enough. We waited 2 years for this card. In other scenarios like content creation, we can gain more performance. Like in Premiere, we can get more than 50% better results, and in DaVinci Resolve 2, we can get better results. We almost got RTX 4090 with the new Nvidia encoder and decoder, which is good, but it is not enough in my opinion. And in some 3D applications, the gain wasn't that much because they should optimize their applications with the new tech in this card. Overall, I don't think you should go for this card. If you just have the money to get the better card, just go for it. But if you don't have and you want to save some money, you can get RTX 5070 Ti with almost the same performance. Almost the same. It is $250 cheaper, which is good, and it means you can get almost the same performance with less money. And if you want to see RTX 5070 Ti review, click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you won't miss our next review. So what do you think about the RTX 5080? Tell us in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.